As we enter, we first see the gallery space where the work I have for sale is displayed. After we have a look at this, we'll move into the shop and then we'll come back and look at some specific product. Here we see some of my lumber storage, flat stock for cutting boards and things of that type. As we pan up, you'll see turning stock and rough turned bowls. The central dust collector helps keep the shop clean and healthy. The chop saws are used both to cut rough lumber and finish stock as I work on projects. The joiner is used to flatten one face and one edge of a board before further processing. The bandsaw is used typically to resaw lumber to make thinner lumber or to rough cut wood for bowl turning. The table saw is the heart of the shop and centrally located. As we pan over, we see a thickness planer used to bring boards down to uniform thickness. I have two lathes in the shop. The larger white lathe is mostly used for turning bowls. The smaller lathe is used for other projects. At this point, I'm going to let you have a closer look at some of the products I produce and listen to some nice music. Thanks for watching. These products and many more are available on my website, Pettigrew Woodworks.